so far today, we've seen sleet, snow, elk, moose, grizzly bear, black bear, and lots of cold weather.
No Tetons though. No.
Oh, sorry, you're still on.
No Tetons. We
We
did not
only
see the
saw
Tetons.
the lower 500 feet of the Tetons. Luckily, we saw them yesterday while we were driving in. Chad's a little salty though.